Morning, Honors Chemistry students. Mrs. Snyder here on my last video of distant learning. Today is test day, your very last chemistry test. You will be taking the chapter 18, 14, and 15 equilibrium test today. If you're struggling, if you cannot take it today for some reason, and I've talked to a couple of you, and I just want you guys to know that please reach out to me. And we'll make plans. So it's okay. So please let me know if for some reason you don't feel like you can take the test today. We can take it another day, Friday or Monday. If you do take the test today, and if all of your materials are in, you will no longer have to take attendance. I will mark you as present for the rest of the school year. If you do not take the test today, please email me, and you will email me daily as we make our plan for that makeup. Okay, so this is really surreal because never thought that I would be doing distant learning this way, never thought I'd be ending a class this way. If we were face to face today, I would be also very proud of you guys. I have to tell you, you have done a tremendous job with this difficult situation of distant learning, and ending it with our current state of affairs is really hard. It's really hard on me. I'm struggling. I have hope for our future. I know that for me, like I said, things feel different, and I'm very hopeful. I'm willing, as I've mentioned before, willing to do that work to make things better, to make tomorrow better. And I hope that you guys, as you go out, as you go out into the world as young adults, you soon will be going out, that you're striving to make the world better. If we all do that, that will be amazing. You guys have been an amazing group of kids to work with. There was no other group of kids that I would have wanted to go through COVID with. I will tell you, I've been teaching a long time, but you are a class that I will always remember. And I will always remember your grit to get through this. So I'm very, very proud of you. I've enjoyed working with you guys, and I wish you the very, very best. If we were in class right now, after you took the test and I collected your textbook, I wouldn't let you leave the room without shaking my hand. Since we can't do that, I really want for you guys to stop in and see me when we are face to face again in the school. And I know that will happen. I know it can't happen for the seniors, but for you juniors and sophomores, I know that we will be back in our building at some time. We may not be able to shake hands, but at least we'll be able to be within 6 feet from each other. And I want to be able to give a proper goodbye then. So until then, until we can see each other face to face, have a great summer. I've enjoyed working with you, and I want you to know that I wish you all the very best.